Okay. Question someone sent to me, and remember my contact details are in the video description. So anything, guys, you have to contact me privately if you want more information. But he basically asks, what is the best non-Debrid add-on for new releases? Now that Neoflix is gone from history, if it does come back, it'll probably come back with a different name. But and I don't think that Black Lightning is going to be updated anytime soon. That's also, I'm just going to list down the one-click ones. I would say Look Movies, definitely Homelander, Ghost, The Crew. They got one-click sections there, non-Debrid one-click sections with new releases. Twisted is still doing that, and of course the bread and butter stuff, the scraper add-on Scrubs. Now a lot of people say Scrubs don't work. It does work. You just got to remove the providers that don't work. Go into the settings and do that. And that's about it, guys. I know a lot of changes has been happening. You know, we as testers will be there scratching our heads thinking, okay, so what's the alternative? Lovely weather this morning. Lovely weather. For non-Debrid, for Debrid is easy peasy. But you know, I like to see a widget full of new releases. I like to see that. So if you guys know any others that are great for new releases, non-Debrid, let us know. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.